up for that experiment? Guys, should we give a thumbs up? Ready? Thumbs up with your soapy hands.
Hello, YouTube family. We're the TNT duo. Hi, friends.
Alright, everybody, today we're going to be making something called elephant toothpaste. Are you ready, boys?
Actually, it's horse toothpaste.
Horse toothpaste. Are you ready?
Yep.
Give me an excited yeah!
Yeah.
On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
For today's experiment, you're going to need hydrogen peroxide, yeast, water, dish soap, food coloring, and some containers. The first thing we're going to do is put half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into each container and top it off with a 1/4 cup of dish soap. Whoa. Okay. Pour all the way. Good job. All right, back.
Can I have some?
Yep.
Just give me the tea.
All right, there you go. Pour it in all the way, just like Thomas did. Pour. Nice job. Great work.
Yours is taller.
All right. Okay. Now we're going to put.
Oh, I found some.
Now we're going to put a 1/4 cup of our dish soap.
Can I do it first?
Yep.
Oh, it's blue. Blue. That's blue.
Taking some time.
Wait, don't do it.
Okay, you can pour.
Inside it's blue.
Pour. Nice job. Look how cool that looks.
Can I touch it?
No, don't touch it. Tony, your turn. Pour all the way in. We forgot one thing.
Let's go get them. That looks good on 20. Looks good on 20. See? That's good.
Okay. Mix a packet of active yeast.
Now
with
we
a
have
little
our
water.
goggles. On. Now let's start.
First thing we're gonna do is mix a packet of yeast with some more water, and while that sits, we're gonna put some food coloring into our containers.
Can I do it? Whoa, that's so long. What's up?
All right.
This one right here falling down.
Stir. Nice job. Yep. Thomas, let's give Tony a turn.
That's how you do it.
Okay. Spin. Stir. Nice job. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Put it right up here. Good job. All right, guys. Now I have 3 colors. You're gonna choose which one you want. We have blue, red, and green.
I want it to be like
Red. Okay. And Tony, which color do you want?
so it can be like water.
Awesome. Sounds
It's
good.
gonna be like lava volcano.
Okay, so you can put in as many drops as you want. Alright, I think that should be good. All good. Because we have 2 containers, we're gonna split our yeast mixture into 2 small beakers. So that each one of them, on the count of 3, I'm gonna tell you when you're gonna pour it in, okay? Hold on. Ready? And we're gonna watch for the reaction. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pour.
Whoa!
Who's up for that experiment?